Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm putting together a fall cascading bouquet. I'm going to start off using these beautiful cream colored sunflowers. I'm going to gather them together almost like I picked them right out of the garden. I'm building up the dome shape part of the bouquet using the sunflowers, the roses, and I've got these golden colored lilies here. Because the sunflowers are so bold with their dark center and cream colored petals, the golden lilies are going to be used more of like a filler flower. So I'm kind of keeping them below the sunflowers themselves. Same with the roses. Although they're an expensive flower and they do deserve some attention, those sunflowers are pretty dominant there. So once I have the dome shape kind of built out, I'm going to start bending the flowers over my hand to make that teardrop cascading shape. I'm keeping the sunflowers still more towards the center, and I'm going to let the greenery make the cascading shape there. So like you can see the spiral eucalyptus, I'm just going to give it a good old bend right over there so it'll cascade right down the front of the bouquet. And I'm doing this just to kind of help maintain the bouquet to look more natural, because typically you don't see sunflowers cascading down in nature, but I guess the same with spiral eucalyptus, but it just kind of looks a little bit more natural if I use the greenery to build that teardrop shape. And also, if you look, I've got some cream colored lanterns here along with the spiral eucalyptus, but you can see it kind of shaking and moving, and it has great movement. So if you're walking down the aisle with this, it really gives it that realistic look and feel to it, just because it kind of flows as you go. Also, when I was putting together the bouquet, I try to add some flowers towards the back as well. So it is actually an all the way around bouquet. This way, whoever's carrying the bouquet will be able to see how beautiful it is from their angle too. And it just kind of gives that confidence when you're carrying it and, walking down the aisle there. So as you can see, I've got the spiral eucalyptus cascading down there along with the lanterns. And I'm adding this kind of minty wintergreen greenery around the base, building a collar around the base of the bouquet itself. There's a lot of stems in here, a lot of bending and twisting, and by using that greenery, it will hide my mechanics. It will hide all that. So it'll be our little secret, how it all went together. Nobody will know. They'll just look at the beautiful flowers and the arrangement itself. So I put the eucalyptus throughout the bouquet because I do want to bring that kind of golden color all throughout, not just have it only on the outsides. And if I might mention that, I love this color scheme. It's a very classic country look. It almost reminds me of like a sepia tone photograph or something. It's kind of like a old-timey bouquet, I guess. But it gives that cleanness of the white and the cream colors that you see in a wedding, but it also gives it just a touch of color and a little bit of a classic feel. Just something to think about if you're looking for colors for your wedding. Once I have everything all fluffed and ready, I'm gonna grab a chenille stem and tie it off. I will give the stem a wrap of wax floral tape, and then I'll trim it about 2 hands down and wrap the stem in a nice double-faced satin ribbon. But there you go, all set. There's a fall cascading bouquet. Thank you so much for watching.